I want you bad. Was hiding under that blanket. Make room for something sweeter, babe. You can just conquer me. Well, you oblige. Please don't look too far, darling, 'cause I wanna be having. If it was up to me, I'd give you my soul. I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man. Wrapped in your body, next to my bones. I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man. Got it harder than the weather, girl. Let me cool it down for ya. You know I'm begging for rain, baby. Please don't look too far, darling, 'cause I wanna make you scream. Ooh. If it was up to me, I'd give you my soul. I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man. Wrapped in your body, next to my bones. I'm a dead man. I'm a dead man. Lady issue. Lady issue. Lady issue. Lady issue. Please don't look too far, darling, 'cause I wanna make you scream. Ooh, baby, baby. If it was up to me, I'd give you my soul. I'm a dead man, dead man, dead man, wrapped in your body, next to my bones. I'm a dead man, dead man, dead man. Without you.
我是这路上没名字的人，我没有新闻，没有人评论，要拼尽所有，换得不同的剧本，曲折辗转不过陌生。我是离开小镇上的人，是苦笑着吃过饭的人，是赶路的人，是养家的人，是城市背景的呼声。我不过想亲手触摸弯过腰的每一刻，留下的石头的脚印是不是值得？这哽咽若你也相同，就是同路的朋友，致所有顶天立地却平 平凡普通的。南方的村落，来自粗糙的双手。你站在楼宇的缝隙，可你没有退缩。我来自于北方的春天，来自一步一回首，背后有告别的路口，温暖每个日落。当家乡入冬的时候，列车到站以后，小时候的风在吹过，回忆起单纯的快乐，在熟悉的街头，有人会用所有的温柔喊出你的名字。离家的人啊，我敬你一杯酒，敬你的沉默和每一声怒吼，敬你弯着腰上山往高处走，头顶苍穹努力的生活。无名的人啊，我敬你一杯酒，敬你的沉默和每一声怒吼，敬你弯着腰上山往高处走，头顶苍穹努力的生活。无名的人啊，牵挂就别回头望。无名的人啊，车开了，往前吧，带着你。